to the faculty of the Mariners Polytechnic College Foundation, or the MPCF, to the students under the MPCF Bachelor of Science in Customs Administration program, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, marahay na aldao sa inyong gabos. I am Bienvenido Yapo Rubio, Commissioner of the Bureau of Customs. It is an honor to speak before you on this year's BSCA Convergence. With the support of everyone bringing this occasion to life, I am certain that our BSCA students will soon enter the real world as competent, principled, and future-ready young professionals. The mission of the Bureau of Customs is multifaceted. We work in pursuit of enhanced trade facilitation, strengthened border control, and improved collection of lawful revenue. To achieve this, in 2023, our Customs Administration established the Bureau of Customs 5-point priority program. It has remained consistent since I assumed my post, with activities varying per year, which are anchored on the following. First, digitalization of customs processes. Second, hit and surpass the target. Third, simplify procedures and facilitate secure trade. Fourth, curb smuggling in all forms. And fifth, uplift employee welfare and development. Our 5-point priority program enforces the overarching directives of President Marcos Jr., covers our 3-pronged mandates, and encompasses the Bureau of Customs' demands for its operations. Frankly, achieving the right balance among the 3 mandates is difficult. It requires a whole of Philippines approach, including both the public and private sectors. To make sure our objectives are with arm's reach, we created the Customs Industry Consultative and Advisory Council, or the CICAC. We established our CICAC with the intention of strengthening customs business partnership and aligning customs operations with the evolving demands of the trade community. With our accomplishments in the last 2 years, I believe we have come a long way. And with the continued support of our stakeholders, we are far from hitting a dead end. Together, we will keep advocating and pushing for reform in the Bureau of Customs. Sometimes I get asked, Commissioner Rubio, you have lofty aspirations for your agency, but what do you bring to the table? And how is your leadership any different? Well, I began my career at the Bureau of Customs with a salary grade of 8. Prior to my appointment as the Commissioner of Customs, I worked as a Special Agent 1 in Customs Enforcement for 2 years, Intelligence Officer in Customs Intelligence for 18 years, and Director of the Port Operations Service for 2 years. When you start your career as a rank-and-file employee, you work your way around the realities on the ground. You gain broader perspectives. You expand your knowledge, and you grow from experiences as you climb the ladder. I humbly carry 2 decades worth of experience, and it will always be my greatest asset. I'd like to believe that the success is not reserved for the privileged. It is earned by those who keep showing up, those who are willing to learn, and those who choose to be resilient. To our MPCF BSCA students, embrace every learning opportunity that comes your way. Even when it gets tough, remember that the challenges we face are meant to strengthen us, sharpen our skills, and build our character. In support of your journey as BSCA students, we have shared with you educational materials that can help in navigating your studies. May you find the knowledge, understanding, and wisdom contained with the pages of these books. Hold on to the passion that brought you here, and someday it could be you standing where I am now, hoping to inspire the next generation of young professionals. Once again, congratulations to the Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation on your annual BSCA Convergence. Diyos mabalos! Muli, magandang araw, mabuhay tayong lahat, at mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.